RedShark's NAB 2026 coverage is brought to you by.
Hey, I'm Shamir and CEO, co-founder of Eddy AI, and I'd love to show you a demo of how this works. Eddy's really meant to be your AI assistant video editor for video professionals. What we mean by that is it supports all the things that pros come to expect. It's integrated with your NLE, supports RAW and Pro codecs, and our users affectionately call it ChatGPT for video editing. The reason why, we're really trying to build a teammate, someone to help you move forward faster on video editing. So it has an interface like this. It's a Mac PC app with integrations into Premiere, Resolve, FCP, and Eddy's proactive. Eddy gives you a summary. I've already imported the footage. Eddy's already told me a summary of it. It's already listed out the topics. And I can use it as a sounding board. Hey, can you give me a summary of these interviews? Can you create me a string out of all the answers to the question, where were you born? So use it as a sounding board, try to get a sense of different ways in which to tell the story. And once you do that, you can then go into the rough cut storytelling. And rough cut storytelling is incredibly powerful. You can take hours of source material, come up with a story framework that Eddy can use to edit on the basis of, and then it cuts the story beat by beat, get you a full cut, and then it places your real footage, not generative footage, your real B-roll footage on top of that A-roll edit. And I'll show you quickly what that looks like. So this is the A-roll edit. I asked for a 10-minute edit. It suggested a story framework proactively. I can iterate with Eddy on the story framework. I want a different framework. I want to make a change on this framework. Once we've aligned, Eddy creates the edit right there in line. You can play the video. You can read the text of that transcript. You can go to the next chapter. This is the conflict section. This is a hero's journey story. And once you come to the final edit, Eddy places your B-roll footage. It logs the B-roll. It created all these logs. This is the people in hair shot. Here's the aprons and workwear. And then it created sequences. Found the right subclip in there, created the right sequence, and then placed that B-roll sequence on the A-roll story spine. And so it's incredibly powerful. It literally takes, goes from raw footage to rough cut in minutes. So it shaves hours, if not days off post-production. And when you're happy with the edit, you can seamlessly export to Premiere, Resolve, and FCP. You go to export, click edit, choose Premiere, and boom. And now it's exporting that sequence back to Premiere, relinking to the source material where you can go polish it, you can add color, music, and complete the edit there. You can find Eddy at HeyEddy, HeyEddie.ai.